So I'm hanging out in Brooklyn. I actually put on a new REOpportunity to the market. This one's a co-op, and it's not like the other ones because they actually fixed it. It looks really, really nice. Let's go for a ride. Let's go check out the neighborhood. We're just a short distance away from Amersfoort Park. This park is like those square parks, those nice little gems you find that are situated right in the middle of a city block. It actually takes up an entire city block, and it's surrounded by beautiful homes. Another great thing about this co-op is that it's located just 10 minutes away from Brooklyn College. So we're gonna check out this amazing REOpportunity, a completely renovated co-op. We're going over to 1200 East 53rd Street in the Flatlands, Canarsie area of Brooklyn. One of my favorite things about this co-op is not just that it's renovated, but there's parking spots. There's 4 buildings in the Kings Village complex. And if you land yourself a spot, well, you don't have to worry about New York City and alternate street side. You see how they're doing all this work here? They're, seems like they're brick pointing, they're refacing the balconies. So even with the scaffolding, it still looks good. These buildings in the Kings Village feature a nice entrance and a large space. So if you have some friends that are going to meet with you, it's nice to be in here than out in the cold. This building here is 1200 East 53rd Street. And we're coming into the right side and taking a look at Unit 4T. Oh, here we are, Unit 4T. Hey, New York City's tough when it comes to storage. But if you need closets, this is the perfect co-op for you. This is the one I was just in. It's huge. I mean, what is this, like 5? This 2-bedroom co-op features a nice living room, dining room combination, renovated kitchen, and a grand foyer. On its own, this living room measures about 240 square feet. Wow, talk about living large. I really like the master bedroom. By itself, it's about 180 square feet. This co-op also has a brand new kitchen. Did you take a look at it? Come on this side. Now this is beautifully done. Stone countertops and the appliances, they're brand new. They still have the plastic on them. This is great. Let's check out the bathroom. The second bedroom is also very generous in size. And my favorite part about it is that it's got 2 windows picking up light from both sides of the building. This has got to be one of the freshest laundry rooms. 4 dryers and 5 washers. So thanks for taking a look at that REOpportunity. Make sure to give us a call for your own appointment and subscribe. I'll be seeing you back in the neighborhood.